friends, welcome to object-oriented programming using C++ with Aditya Barve. So now our today's topic is access specifiers. So now let's move towards our index and let's see what we are gonna have today. So basically in index we are having first is what are access specifiers and second is private member, third is public member and fourth is protected members. So now let's see access specifiers. So definition of access specifier is data hiding is one of the most important feature of object-oriented programming, which allows preventing the functions of a program to access directly the internal representation of a class type. So now, basically there are three access specifiers known as public, private and protected. So now let's move towards our first access specifier that is public. Before it, we will see the syntax. So now the basic syntax is class base means class name, and then in curly braces public. After writing a public, private or protected keywords, the colons after it are very necessary. Public member goes here, protected member goes here, and private member goes here after the public, protected and private. So now let's see public members. So a public member is accessible from anywhere outside the class, but within a program. You can set and get the value of public variable without any member function. So this definition means that we can get the value or set a value of public variable and get it without any member function. So now let's see what are private members. So a private member variable or function cannot be accessed or even viewed from outside the class. So it means that private member or variable cannot be viewed from outside the class. Only the member functions of the class are accessible to that data members. So in class, all the data members are private by default. So now let's see an example where class width is a private member. So now let's move towards example. So now here is the example. So here class name is the box, and in the curly braces of class, the double width is a private data member, but I have not written private over it because by default it is private, and the public members are double length, void set data, void get data, and the class has been closed. So now let's see protected members. So a protected member variable or function is very similar to a private member, but it provided one additional benefit that they can be accessed in child classes, which are called derived classes. The protected member is as same as private member, but it provides a benefit that we can access the protected members from the child members are known as derived classes. So now let's see an example. So here it is an example. So here the class is the box and class small box colon box. The class small box is the child member or derived member of the class box. So here in class small box, the colon are used because to access the box or to call it as a child class or child member. So here the member function of child class. So here is the main function of our program. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, then please hit like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.